Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create trending AI photo edits that can you see all over Facebook and Instagram right now using Gemini Nano Banana tool. It's super easy, free, and the results will look like pro level AI edits. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Gemini latest feature that lets you edit any photo instantly using just a text prompt. Next, just upload your photo that you want to edit. You can use a portrait or even a selfie, just anything works. Make sure it's clear and valid for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this, and then once your photo is uploaded, we're going to give it a cool AI transformations. Now comes the fun part. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt but feel free to create your own versions depending on the styles that you want. You can just change the details of the background or outfit or many more. Just set it totally up to you. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, type your prompt, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. That's the AI edit. That's clean, cinematic, and totally ready for your Instagram feed or Facebook. And honestly, I love how the lighting, the the colors that pop instantly without any manual editing. And honestly, it looks like something so professional. So that's how you can easily create trending AI photo edits for Facebook or Instagram using Gemini Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!